Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel Let's Speak in English. Today is day 7 of English speaking. My dream life. This is themes of today's speaking practice, expressing hopes, desire and future plans. Objective of today's lesson is to practice speaking in English using the future tense, descriptive words, and expressing wishes. To gain confidence in speaking about yourself and your life goals. First of all, let's we have some warm-up questions that help you in speaking English practice. For example, you can use this question: what is your dream job? And where would you love to live in future? What makes a perfect life for you? And do you want to travel? If yes, where you want to travel? And what is one thing you must have in your dream life? You can talk about these questions. This make you warm up to speak in English. I suggest you some vocabulary to describing about your dream life. What vocabulary you need to express your thought when you're talking about your future plan for your dream life. And while we're talking about your future dream life, you must be speaking future tense. And what vocabulary you need? For example, you can use these vocabulary word for expressing about your dream life. Of course, the first word you're going to use dream life, and you can use it in sentence like this: I wish to live a peaceful and beautiful dream life. And next vocabulary you can use luxurious. For example, in sentence, my dream house will be a big and luxurious. And other vocabulary you can use countryside, can use in sentence, I want to live in the peaceful countryside. And next word you can try is freedom. For example, in sentence, my dream life give me a full of freedom to do what I love. And next word you can use fulfilled. Fulfilled you can use in sentence like this: in my dream life, I feel very happy and fulfilled every day. And next vocabulary you can try is achieve. You can use in sentence like this: I work hard every day to achieve my dream life. And next word you can use is simple. You can use in sentence, I want a simple, happy, and peaceful life. And next vocabulary is nature. I want to live close to nature in my dream life. You can use in sentence like this. And next vocabulary you can try is happiness. And you can use in sentence, true dream life mean living with peace and happiness. And next word you can use is success, and you can use in sentence like this: in my dream life I am successful and respected. By using question and vocabulary you can write down about your dream life and try to speak in your own word and record while you speaking and listen it again and check what mistake you done while you speaking. I give you an example. You can write down like this one and try to speak in your own word. Hello, today I will talk about my dream life. In my dream life, I live in a beautiful house near the ocean. The house is peaceful, surrounded by nature, and has a garden full of colorful flowers. I work as a famous travel vlogger and a writer. I explore new places, meet new peoples, and share my experience with the world. I earn money by doing what I love. My dream life is very peaceful. I wake up early, going for a walk, have healthy food, and spend my day going creative work. I also spend quality time with my family. I travel a lot to mountains, forests, and beaches. In my dream life, I'm happy, healthy, successful, and free. That is the life I wish to live. When you're talking about your dream life, try to speak about 1 or 2 minutes on this topic. For example, where you live and what do you have. While you're talking about your dream life, you must be include this topic while you're speaking. Where you live, what job you have, what your daily routine and your hobby or dreams, and what make you happy in that life you watch in your dream. Now practice challenge for you. You can write down about your dream life by using question, vocabulary, and then you can speak about on it. While you speaking, you can record and then listen it again. Then you speak it again and repeat it again and again up to the time you not speak clearly and correct. This improve your speaking practice. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. If you like this video, you can subscribe the channel as well.